Hello Year 12s. So, like I said in my previous video, you're going to start your revision and you're going to be using a program called Know-It-All Ninja. So what you're going to do is write Know-It-All Ninja into Google and then click on the first link that comes up. Then you're going to go here and you're going to go to, hold on, let me just log out. You're going to go here where it says sign in, click sign in, put your school email address, and then your password is Hayes with no capitals. Click remember me. Log in. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you log in. It means nothing to any of you except that we are going to go to the BTech level 3, this green picture in the middle, and you're going to click on it. So all of these topics here are the topics that you're needing to cover for your exam in January. Now, I know it's a lot of topics, but don't worry. We have lots of time. So just about the site, you can click over here and you can go to BTech Year 12, and there you will see your names and you can see points. You get points every time you get the quiz right, and if you get less answers wrong, etc., etc. So you can change this and see who's on the leaderboard. Right, so the first thing we are going to do is functions and use of digital devices. And you can see here is 4 lessons. If you have a look here, it says this should take you 4 lessons. Because we are doing homeschooling, I don't mind taking 2 lessons per. So this will be 8 lessons worth. Please don't do this in a rush. So basically, actually, let's do it over 10 lessons, so 2 weeks. So my lessons and Miss Benadjan's lesson, by the end of the 2 weeks, hold on, yeah, 2 weeks, because that's 10. You need to have finished everything about digital devices. Alright, so for your first lesson, you're going to click on digital devices, and then once you're in here, you can read through the starter bit here. You can click on the presentation, watch the presentation. Please have a notepad and pen and make some notes. If you prefer using flashcards, then please make flashcards about this. If you prefer making notes, make notes. If you want to do flowcharts, then do flowcharts. It's completely up to you. You are going to use this for your revision in January, so please make it nice and neat. Make sure you can read it, make sure it looks appealing. Okay, so you just, how the Prezi works, you just go through it, and then you can make notes about, for instance, personal computers, servers, etc., etc. Okay? Once you finish that, you can just click anywhere on the page, and then you can go to the video and watch the video. It's also about digital devices. A digital device is a piece of physical equipment that uses digital data, such as by sending. You can either start by watching the presentation and making notes, and then watch the video and add to your notes, and then you can scroll down and have a read through and add to your notes. Or depending on how you work, you can start by reading the write-up, make notes, and then go back and watch the presentation and the video. So for each lesson as such, if we call this a lesson, you need to watch the presentation, need to watch the video, need to read through this. I will send you a worksheet to do, and then finally you will do a quiz. So you click on there and you can do the quiz, you can answer the questions. Be careful, because sometimes it gives you 2 points, so you might need to click 2 things, and you have to normally get, I think, 80% to pass the quiz. Alright, so that is, let me just go back. So that is what you're doing basically every 2 lessons. Making notes, watching the videos, and then finally doing the worksheet and doing the quiz. I am going to make a second video on a software called Anki. So if you would like to make digital flashcards, because I know sometimes you, if you don't have a lot of paper lying around, you can download this software called Anki, but just check below on Show My Homework, because I will add a link on how to use a video about how to use Anki. I say Anki, but they say Anki. So anyway, if you have any questions or forget how to log in or anything, just let me know. Just remember it's your school email address and Hayes with no capital. And I hope you enjoy it. It is quite simple to use once you get going. And good.